Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today, our goal is to find, what they call this, the origin of the Humboldt penguin. So I just found it on my computer, which is this. That's really gonna, what's this? Whoa. Whoa. Okay. I guess. Yep. You're the one. This time I thought it was like a Gento penguin, because I thought. Pretty sound. Pretty sound really good. Evolution. Yeah, what is this evolution of penguin? But before they're just lizards. Or there's two stick up. Samoria. Helonus. Euraptor. Archaeopteryx. It's a dinosaur. It's Ichthyornis. Wait, man. What's the gray dog? Emperor penguin. Oh wait, this is here I saw this before. There was an emperor penguin sound. Yeah, but not that. I saw the somewhere.
Okay. Oh! What?
Oh, this is definitely the one. Oh, here it is. Yep, there. No. So close. What should we find? Penguin tail.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, this is a penguin king.
Hello.
Painting. I'm not messing around. Humboldt penguin. Okay. I've been waiting for this. You doing? And that's definitely the sound. Yes. 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 I'm showing the internet the truth. Yes. Yep. The sound will go. Yeah. They definitely know it. Yeah. Others have found it. Okay. Anyways.